Visual content is a critical component of modern marketing. From social media posts to promotional materials, high-quality visuals can make all the difference in the success of your campaigns. However, not everyone has the skills or tools to create professional-looking visuals. That's where Pictory.ai comes in. In this article, we'll explore how to use Pictory.ai and the many benefits it offers. Chapter 1, What is Pictory.ai? Pictory.ai is an artificial intelligence-powered tool that helps you generate professional-quality visuals for a variety of marketing materials. The tool uses deep learning algorithms to understand the intent behind your visuals and suggest relevant images and designs. Chapter 2, Getting Started with Pictory.ai. Using Pictory.ai is simple and straightforward. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Pictory.ai account on their website. Step 2. Select the type of visual you want to generate, such as social media post, product image, or promotional material. Step 3. Enter the relevant details, such as your product or service, target audience, and any specific keywords or phrases you want to include. Step 4. Click the Generate button, and Pictory.ai will generate several options for you to choose from. Step 5. Select the visual that best fits your needs, and customize it as necessary. Chapter 3, Benefits of using Pictory.ai. Using Pictory.ai offers several benefits, including 3.1. Saves time. Creating high-quality visuals can be time-consuming, and not everyone has the skills or tools to do it themselves. Pictory.ai can generate visuals quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. 3.2. Generates professional-quality visuals. Pictory.ai uses advanced algorithms to generate professional-quality visuals that are relevant to your business and target audience. The tool can generate visuals that are visually appealing, on-brand, and eye-catching. 3.3. Increases productivity. Using Pictory.ai can increase your productivity by allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business, such as product development or customer service. 3.4. Affordable. Pictory.ai is an affordable solution for small businesses or individuals who don't have the budget to hire a professional designer. Chapter 4, Advanced Features of Pictory.ai. In addition to the basic features of Pictory.ai, there are several advanced features that you can use to create even more impactful visuals. These features include 4.1. Customization options. With Pictory.ai, you can customize your visuals to fit your brand and message. The tool allows you to adjust the color scheme, font, and other design elements to match your branding. 4.2. Collaboration tools. Pictory.ai offers collaboration tools that allow you to work with team members or clients to create visuals. You can share designs, gather feedback, and make changes in real time. 4.3. Analytics. Pictory.ai provides analytics to help you track the performance of your visuals. You can see how many views, likes, or shares your visuals receive, allowing you to adjust your strategy accordingly. Chapter 5, Best Practices for Using Pictory.ai. To get the most out of Pictory.ai, there are several best practices that you should follow. 5.1. Know your audience. Before using Pictory.ai, make sure you understand your target audience. Knowing their preferences and interests will help you create visuals that resonate with them. 5.2. Use high-quality images. While Pictory.ai can generate images, it's important to use high-quality images whenever possible. This will help your visuals stand out and appear more professional. 5.3. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to creating visual content with Pictory.ai. By maintaining a consistent visual style and tone, you can enhance your brand image and create a strong visual identity. This will help your audience recognize your content and associate it with your brand. To maintain consistency, make sure to use the same color scheme, font, and visual style throughout your content. This will help tie all of your visuals together and create a cohesive brand image. Additionally, consider creating templates for your visuals to ensure that they all have a consistent look and feel. Consistency doesn't just apply to your visual style, it also applies to your posting schedule. Make sure to post your visuals on a consistent basis, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. This will help your audience know when to expect your content and keep them engaged with your brand. Step 4. Selecting and customizing your visuals. Now that you've inputted your content, it's time to select your visuals. Pictory.ai offers a variety of visual styles and formats, including illustrations, infographics, and social media graphics. You can also customize the color scheme and font to match your branding or personal preference. To select a visual, click on the Visual tab in the left-hand menu. From there, you can browse through the different categories and select the style that best fits your content. Once you've selected a style, you can customize the colors and font by clicking on the Settings button. If you prefer, you can also upload your own images or use Pictory.ai's library of stock photos. To upload your own image, click on the Upload button and select the image you want to use. To browse Pictory.ai's stock photos, click on the Stock Photos button and use the search bar to find the image you want. Step 5. Exporting and sharing your visual. Once you've customized your visual, it's time to export and share it. Pictory.ai offers a variety of export options, including PNG, JPG, PDF, and SVG. You can also choose the size and resolution of your visual to fit your specific needs. To export your visual, click on the Export button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From there, you can select the format, size, and resolution you want to use. Once you've made your selections, click on the Export button to download your visual. You can share your visual directly from Pictory.ai by clicking on the Share button. From there, you can share the visual on social media, embed it on your website, or send it as a link via email or messaging. Benefits of using Pictory.ai. Saves time and effort. Pictory.ai's AI-powered tool simplifies the visual creation process and saves time and effort. You don't need any prior design experience to create professional-looking visuals. Wide variety of visual styles. Pictory.ai offers a wide variety of visual styles, including illustrations, infographics, and social media graphics. This means you can create visuals that fit your content and branding. Customization. Pictory.ai allows you to customize the color scheme, font, and even upload your own images. This ensures your visuals are unique and match your specific needs. Cost-effective. Pictory.ai is a cost-effective solution for businesses and individuals who need high-quality visuals but don't want to spend a lot of money on hiring a designer or purchasing expensive design software. Conclusion. Visual content is an important aspect of marketing and communication. Pictory.ai's AI-powered platform simplifies the process of creating high-quality visuals, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their design experience. With Pictory.ai, you can create professional-looking visuals that effectively communicate your message and enhance your brand image. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? For detail, click in the description link below. Subscribe, like, share and comment.